If you've been looking for an extremely simple way to make money online without having to create any videos, without having to create any websites, without having to do anything complicated, this video is one that you really need to watch till the very end, okay? In 2025, this is hands down the most simple way that I have come across to make money, okay? Right? And this is using digital marketing, right? To promote whatever it is that you want to promote. But there are some very specific products that are going to help your case when it comes to making money, all right? If you want to get in on this, right, and you really want to take advantage of it now before it becomes something that everybody gets aware of and starts jumping on, making it that much harder to succeed with, you need to get on board right now, okay? We're talking about posting simple little quotes on threads, okay? This is Instagram's version of X or Twitter, and the perfect guide that you should jump on right now, that I'm highly encouraging you to do, to learn from, which is the exact same one that I'm learning from right now, is linked in the description below this video, right? The first link in the description below this video is where you can get access to the exact same course that I purchased myself and have gone through. I haven't even finished it, right? There's quite a bit, but I'm already seeing the benefits of all the stuff that I've been learning thus far and implementing on my existing threads profile that I was just messing around with, that I didn't really know what I was doing. But now I'm starting to see myself gain traction, gain followers. I'm quickly going to far surpass the number of subscribers that I have on YouTube, right? I know that I'm going to definitely have way more followers on threads, pile up a lot more quickly than I am going on YouTube, right? So that's going to be it. Now, if you're not subscribed to my channel right now, I would highly encourage you to subscribe this very moment. Do it right now before you forget, because I'm going to be covering a lot about this, right? I'm going to be covering a lot of information about this going forward on my channel. It's going to be intertwined into a bunch of stuff that I'm doing, whether it's as a matter of fact, I'm actually in the middle right now of a ClickBank case study. I guess you could call it a case study / journey, whatever the case may be, whereby I'm promoting products on various promoting a product on various different social media platforms, with Threads being one of them. And I'm really curious and interested to see if Threads is going to be the one that far outperforms all the rest, okay? Because of how simple it is, how quickly you can grow if you have the right strategy, which is where that course that I mentioned comes in really handy. First link in the description below this video. If you're one of those people that is just like me, that is not, pretty savvy with various social media platforms and how to use them and do all the fancy stuff, well, this is the kind of stuff that you need to get on, right? Prior to getting into affiliate marketing and digital marketing, I was one of those people that just never wanted to, like, I wouldn't be caught dead on camera, right? But it was just one of those things that I just came to terms with the fact that, hey, I can either resist it or, either resist it and get left behind, or get with the program, get with the times, and do what I have to do in order to get the results that I'm looking for. Okay. Now, this is the thing about Threads. For those of you who are still like the old me that did not want to get on camera, Threads is the perfect place for you, okay? Because you don't have to, like I mentioned earlier in the video, you don't have to create any videos. You don't have to put your voice on camera, right? You don't have to, of course, you don't have to put your face on camera if you're not creating videos, right? It's just simple little pieces of text, okay? People are raking in thousands, and I mean that literally, right? People are raking in thousands of dollars within weeks of starting, right? But again, that does not come by accident, right? That's not by trial and error. You have to have the right strategy, okay? And you have to know, I've said it time and time again, right? There is no like they're like, especially if it's not something that's ridiculously expensive, right? Why not just simply follow in the footsteps of people that have already done what it is that you're trying to do, right? Why go through the trouble of trying to go through trial and error and figure things out left and right, and when you actually could follow the path which would be considered a shortcut, okay? Why not do that? That's what. Why not do that, especially when it's affordable, right? I can understand when people create these courses or these trainings or webinars and all that, and they're charging all these hefty amounts, like $1,000, $3,000, $5,000, and all that type of stuff. Yeah, I get that. The average person is not just gonna have that kind of money laying around to like to invest in themselves, to get learn and all that type of stuff, right? The average person is not going to have that, okay? And that is not to say that even if it was like a $25 product or a $50 product or a $10 product, right, that anybody can do that. Like, I understand, like, everybody goes through tough times, hard times, right? What might be, if $50 might be nothing to one person, but it might be everything to the next person, right? That $50 could be the difference between having that next meal and not having that next meal. So I totally get it, right? But if it is something that is affordable, right, there's no reason to not get it, especially if you want that relief a lot sooner, right? If you want to be in a position where you're making more money, the money that you need to get going, or like to propel yourself forward, right, a lot sooner rather than later, right? It's akin to the saying like stooping to conquer, or whatever the case may be. But hey, that's just me, right? That's the way I think, that's the way I see it. But posting on threads, right? Posting on threads, whether it's your thoughts or whatever it is that you want to post, right? Or whatever niche you want to go into, there's a way to do this, right? There's a way to do this. There is strategy involved. There are things that you can do to help yourself grow fast, just like on YouTube, right? Like those of you who do create, who make YouTube videos, right? Those of us that do have YouTube videos or create YouTube videos, we know the things that are quote unquote supposed to help with growth, right? Whether or not you implement them, it's a different story, right? It's a different thing. Obviously, video is a lot more challenging, right? There's a lot more you can do with video if you have all the fancy editing and the effects and all the retention techniques, right, and all the jump cuts and all that type of stuff, right? That people in the know who know how to do all that stuff, right? They have that upper hand, they have that edge, and so they can they can gain more, have more attention, right? They can gain more views, attract more followers and subscribers and all that type of stuff, right? Well, all these different things that you need to do are dramatically simplified when you're only dealing with a text, right, on a platform, on a text-based social media platform, right? That is the threads that I'm telling you about, okay? Right, in as much as it's it's an easier place to grow on, right, than say maybe some of the more established social media platforms, there is still some kind of strategy that can help you grow faster, a lot faster, and start gaining followers sooner and start generating sales sooner, okay? So that's going to be one of the things that, if you're serious and you're willing to be you're willing to be consistent, right? Because that's the other thing too about threads. It requires a level of consistency. It's not like YouTube where maybe you can do 3 videos a week or 2 videos a week or 1 video a week, and if you have a really good video, you can start blowing up and stuff like that. Threads requires a lot more manual effort, right? Like consistently posting every single day type stuff, right? Especially in the early stages when you're growing and all that type of stuff, right? And responding to comments and engaging and all that type of stuff. There's a lot of it. There's stuff like that, right? And that's all stuff you will learn when you pick up that pick up that course that I have. The first link in the description below this video, right? The second link in the description below, that's going to be stuff more related to like Instagram and some of the other social media platforms that I'm also going to be working on as we go through like this little journey promoting a ClickBank product that I've mentioned. But anyway, if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, put them in the comment section below. I will be sure to respond, and I will catch you in my next video. Thank you ever so much for taking the time to watch. Ciao.